Now, step number 2 is providing background and context. Now, this is super important, and the reason why I mentioned saved chats earlier on in this course, because saved chats allow us to maintain that context and carry it over throughout our conversations day after day. Because if I had a conversation yesterday and I now want to continue that conversation, ChatGPT still has that context. So let's create a new chat, and I want this to be about my business. So let's say I run a baby toy company and I want to sell baby toys. Now, I've just started a new website and I want to generate content for this. Providing background and context is critical. So what I will do is let ChatGPT know exactly what my business is, what my values are, and what I want to achieve. Then from that, I will ask it to generate content. So I've just informed ChatGPT about my company. I told it that I own a baby toy company that sells baby toys online, that I value health and safety of children. I've gone in and explained what I do, also my age. I've given it a bit of information that might help it as if I was talking to a general marketing company. So it's given me a response, obviously, because it is a chat bot, and it's gone through and provided some information about the health and safety. It even goes into the CPSC. But now what I'm going to do is, now that I've given it context, I'm going to go ahead and ask it a prompt. Now this is where it gets interesting, because you can provide a lot more context, but for this video's sake, I'm going to stick with just this. I'm going to say I'm launching a new website, and I want to ask it to provide me with the hero text and a slogan. I also want it to provide me with a bunch of options so that I can pick and choose. So what you'll notice now when just having a look at the hero text is it says, discover the perfect playmates for your little ones. And even in the second one, safe, natural, and fun toys for your growing child. So you'll see that already, or even if you have a look at the fourth one, nurture your child's development with our age-appropriate toys. What you'll notice is it has taken into consideration the context that I've given it, what I value, what my company's motto or slogan, its values are, and taken those into consideration when generating these responses. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump into a new chat, ask it the exact same question and provide no context and see the difference between the responses. So I've said I'm launching a new website, generate the hero text. My company sells baby toys. Simple as that. And now you notice it gives me a bunch of information. Shop the best selection of baby toys on the market, find the perfect toy for your little one, but none of it focuses on the context that I provided, and therefore doesn't align with my company goals, the values, and really not the best response that I'm after. So this is where you can see that context and background information plays a huge role in the responses that you gain from ChatGPT.